Hello students, welcome to online revision class of LGA 16 at Sri Vidyaniketan Public School, Sri Ramnagar. Students, today we are going to revise reading and listening comprehension of Unit 4. Before I start a class, you ensure with your student reader, workbook and a notebook all time while attending online classes. Students, now we will start a class of today's, that is problem and solution. And a problem and a solution, what is a problem? Problem is something that a character in the story or the author wants to change or fix. Yes, what is a problem? Problem is a something like a character in the story or author wants to fix it. Moving towards the solution. Solution is a way. What is a solution? Solution is a way the problem is fixed. We will see the example of problem and solution. The government ordered the cutting of trees to give the land to a sports company. What is the government ordered to cutting the trees of a land and give that place to the sports company? What is the evidence of this? Here, two people were fond of trees. They are fond of trees. The government ordered the cutting of trees because the government was ordered to cutting the trees. Moving towards the solution. The villagers embraced the trees to prevent them from being out. The villagers were embraced because the trees to prevent them. They are fond of the trees. Because of that, they were embraced. What is the evidence from the poem? Trees were embraced in protest. The government's decision was put to rest. This is about the example. Children, now you have to refer SR4, read a story of the builder of a nation. Use the graphic organizer below to list the problem and solution in the story with the evidence. Moving towards the next topic, that is imagery. Imagery is the use of language. What is the imagery? Imagery is the use of language to help readers or create imagine in their minds. They are imagine in their minds. Imagery can appeal to one or more senses. It can appeal more than one sense also, like sight, sound, smell, taste and even touch. Using imagery improves how a reader imagines the ideas. We can imagine many ideas we will get when we are imagining by ourselves. For the poem, the Chipuku movement, these are some words which can help the readers imagine different things. We are taking an example of the Chipuku movement. I see, I hear, I smell, I taste, I feel. How in the moment of the Chipuku moment, we are taking an example and what is this things is happened, how the imagery was happened in the poem we are going to see. Many villages joined the tide. I see many villages are joined the tide and I hear shouted they. What do the forest bear? I smell what I can smell in the forest soil and I taste fresh fruits. What I taste? Fresh fruits. How I feel? I touch hugged a tree. We are hugging them and feel happy. Students, now this is your time. Read the following text and take the which sense it appeals to the most. Underline the words or phrases that show the imagery. Moving towards the next topic, that is similes. Similes is nothing but it is a comparison between two things. Similes is nothing but two things are different but they have some similarity. The things are different but there are some similarities in that. It helps the readers create specific pictures in their minds to help them understand what is written. We can see the example here. It is hot as the sun. Sun is hot as the sun. Colorful like crayons. The crayons are colorful. Now read the following lines from the poem Power of One. This poem read and identify the similes in these lines. And last topic, that is repetition. What is this? Repetition. Yes. Great. Now we are going to learn about repetition. Authors are poets use the same words. Authors are poets use the same words or phrases a few times for better effect and to show the importance of a certain idea. This is called a repetition. In the poem, the author or poets want to repeat the words to give the effectiveness of the poem. We will see an example. Yes, who is sorry, Aunt Iram, Mama? Who is Aunt Iram, Mama? I asked. And why is she a hero? And why is she a hero? A forgotten one at that. Mama replied, Iram is the bravest woman I know, as brave as a lion. She was as brave as a lion who fought 16 years through. Who is Aunt Iram, Amma? Today I know who she is. We have a better life for the sacrifices she did. This repetition gives importance to a poem's main idea for Iram Sharmila. Mama replied, Iram is the bravest woman. She was the bravest woman I know, as heard as iron. For peace she was fought. This reputation gives importance of Iram Sharmila's bravery. Here in this paragraphs there was repeated words to understand or gives the main effect or give the better effect to show the importance of this certain idea. This is about repetition. Read the poem SR 20 Iram Sharmila and answer the following question. This is about today's class. Students, please utilize the leftover time to complete your worksheet and also workbook. Thank you.